Alright, we have BOSE QC35s. Have clearly seen better days. It was just a small hole, and you know, as time goes on, it wears out. So I got a pair of Wicked cushions. Just received them, and see how this replacement goes. Much better though. Alright, they say you just gotta pull on this until you hear a click, pull them off, and then do the opposite to put them back on. That was pretty easy. Alright, and it came with new insides too, so replace these as well. Let's see, and it's got its own little tape. So do the right one first, pull it all off. Get all this residue out of here. Alright, beautiful. Make sure it's going to fit here. Alright. It seems I am failing at pulling the backing paper off of this one. Tweezers or something. There we go. Just fold this down into place. That's done. So there's little spots here, little rings, little gaps. I guess that's where the hooks underneath of here. Actually, it doesn't look like hooks, it's just a plastic ring. I guess goes underneath. Ah, yeah. So it's underneath this outer edge. I thought it was here, but underneath this outer lip. So we line it up, and yep, the little hooks are there. Push one in. Let's keep feeling around the sides. There's another. I guess there's 10 of these. There's 3. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. That's actually quite easy. So there's one replaced. I guess the best way to do it is pull this back just a little bit. Not sure how well you can see that, but pull the foam back and just push down on the piece of plastic, and you can put it right underneath the little tabs that hold it in place. And then I guess we go for the left side. And I've never done this before. It's my first time. I'm learning on camera as we go. They did have a tutorial I searched on their YouTube site, and it was the same way, but they didn't have the sound, so you couldn't hear the clicking noises. And that would have been nice to know what to listen for. But that's what inspired me to make this video. Take this tab out. Maybe. And then again, to line up the pad, it looks good. Start up here at the top, push in. I hope you guys can hear that. Again, I'm just pulling back, so I can see the plastic ring, pushing down. Super simple. So in reality, you can do this in a minute or two. Just want to be careful not to break the tabs. And that looks to be it. Brand new headphones, much better than what these are. Congratulations.